Plant your own flower and decorate your own soul. Don't wait for other people to bring for you your own soul. Welcome to Boasting with Team Quotes. It's a blog that synthesizes the mindset of Boasting and how he has used it to go through difficult times. It's a blog that celebrates Boasting with him. What does it mean when we say plant your own flower? Some of you watching this video might have ever received flowers from their loved ones, but I'm very sure majority of the people die without receiving the flowers. You only receive flowers when you are dead. You only receive a lot of flowers when you're really lying in the coffin. Actually, you don't receive the flower. It is your dead body that receives the flower. That one also shows how human being is made. You realize that human being will tell you that I don't have money if you go to borrow. Or when you try to lobby for money so that people donate the little they have, they will not do it. But when you're dead, they will even travel from abroad to come and drop at least a coin on your dead body. And sometimes the money that they collect when you're dead would have been enough to solve the problem you had. Even sometimes the sickness, you die because you don't have enough money to seek proper treatment. That is why human being better plant your flower instead of waiting for other people. Planting your flower means tie your happiness to only what you want to achieve in life. Have the beautiful things you want to have. The little things, the simple things are your blessing. Your family. You spend so much time in the club drinking alcohol. How much time do you spend with the ones you love? You spend so much money in the club drinking. How much money do you spend with the one you love? So these simple things are your blessings. Instead of waiting for somebody to bring for you flowers, stick to your flower, just like Boasting with him. Boasting with him realized music is the way he wants to go. Another thing, Boasting with him might have never received a flower from anybody, but one thing is his music plays everywhere and people love his music, and I think that makes him happy. So that's the meaning, and thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.